The 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4 isn't just a camper, it's a revolution on wheels. Imagine a futuristic two-story motorhome built for luxury, power, and limitless adventure. With a stunning pure white body, massive off-road tires, and a hybrid V8 engine pushing over 650 horsepower, this machine dominates every terrain with style and strength. Step inside, and you enter a world of elegance. A smart kitchen, double storage, and a master suite with panoramic glass views. This is not a vehicle, it's a luxury mansion built to explore the world. The 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4, where technology meets adventure in pure perfection. The 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4 is here, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. Imagine a two-story luxury camper designed not just for travel, but for a complete lifestyle of adventure, freedom, and futuristic comfort. For the next 15 minutes, we're taking you inside and out of this masterpiece to explore every inch, every feature, and every innovation that makes this machine a true game-changer in the world of off-road motorhomes. At first glance, the Toyota double-decker 4x4 looks like something out of a science fiction movie, bold, tall, and commanding attention with its two-level architecture and muscular 4x4 stance. Finished in a pure white matte coat with chrome and black accents, it reflects Toyota's bold design philosophy for 2026, a perfect blend of strength and sophistication. The front end features a massive grille with adaptive LED matrix headlights, a strong bumper with built-in skid plates, and a hint of aerodynamic styling that makes it look as refined as it is rugged. The sides are where the innovation becomes obvious. The camper stretches long and tall, supported by massive off-road wheels designed for every terrain imaginable: snow, sand, mud, or mountains. Dual panoramic glass panels run across both decks, giving the camper a futuristic feel and allowing passengers to enjoy breathtaking views from anywhere inside. On the roof, integrated solar panels capture sunlight to power the interior systems, ensuring you can stay off-grid for days without worry. At the rear, Toyota's engineering team added a fully functional outdoor deck that folds out electronically. There's also a stainless steel ladder leading up to the second level, and a retractable awning that extends to create an outdoor lounge area. The LED taillights, embedded into sleek vertical panels, give it a signature light signature that's easily recognizable even at night. Powering this mammoth is Toyota's next-generation hybrid system, a twin-turbo V8 combined with a high-output electric motor. Together they deliver an astonishing 650 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque, enough to haul the camper through steep hills and rough trails while still maintaining highway smoothness. The hybrid setup ensures you get both performance and efficiency, with intelligent energy management that adjusts between electric and gas power depending on the terrain. The 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4 uses a full-time all-wheel drive system equipped with adaptive terrain control. It senses traction levels on each wheel and automatically redistributes power to maintain maximum grip. With multiple drive modes, off-road, desert, rock crawl, snow, and eco, this vehicle is engineered for explorers who want to go anywhere. Its active suspension system can raise or lower the ride height electronically, giving it the versatility to glide over obstacles or cruise comfortably on highways. But it's when you step inside that this camper becomes truly unbelievable. The automatic side door slides open to reveal a breathtaking interior that feels like a luxury apartment more than a vehicle. Every surface is crafted with precision, from soft touch materials and ambient lighting to elegant white leather seats and polished aluminum trim. The lower deck is designed as the main living area. There's a cozy lounge with recliner seating, a dining table, and a fully equipped modern kitchen. The kitchen includes a large refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and purified water system. Hidden double storage compartments under the floors and cabinets ensure that everything has a place. Smart LED lighting adapts to your mood, cool light for daytime and warm tones for relaxing evenings. A sleek staircase leads you up to the second floor, where the magic continues. The upper deck features a full-size bedroom with a king bed, panoramic glass ceiling, and 360-degree tinted windows that can automatically dim for privacy. The bed area includes a retractable entertainment screen, built-in sound system, and independent climate control. There's even an optional stargazing mode that adjusts the lighting to simulate open night skies, giving you the perfect camping experience indoors. Technology is the heart of this camper. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring a 17-inch control screen, 3D terrain scanner, and AI-assisted driving support. Voice commands can control nearly everything: lighting, temperature, navigation, and even the solar charging panels. A drone automatically launches from the roof to scout ahead or record cinematic footage of your journey, all viewable directly from the dashboard. The navigation system offers global satellite coverage, ensuring you never get lost no matter how far off-grid you travel. Safety is unmatched. Toyota's Safety Sense Ultra package brings autonomous emergency braking, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, collision detection, blind spot assist, and full 360-degree camera coverage with night vision. The body structure is reinforced with lightweight composite armor panels that absorb impact and maintain cabin stability even in the toughest conditions. When it comes to comfort, Toyota thought of everything. The suspension isolates road vibrations, and the soundproofing system ensures that even during rough rides, the cabin remains whisper quiet. Every seat has heating, cooling, and massage functions. Smart sensors monitor cabin air quality and adjust automatically to keep it fresh and healthy. For those who live on the road, the 2026 double-decker 4x4 is designed for independence. It includes a water filtration and recycling system, solar energy management, and a massive battery backup for complete off-grid functionality. You can park it anywhere: mountains, deserts, beaches, and live comfortably for weeks. Driving the double-decker 4x4 feels surprisingly smooth. The steering is light, the power delivery is instant, and the stability is exceptional despite its size. The regenerative braking recharges the battery as you drive downhill, while intelligent torque control keeps you in full command during sharp turns or climbs. In many ways, this camper represents Toyota's future vision, merging technology, sustainability, and comfort into one platform built for endless exploration. It's not just a camper, it's a mobile luxury lifestyle. It's the kind of vehicle that allows you to wake up beside a lake one day, drive through deserts the next, and end the week in a mountain forest, without ever leaving your home behind. After spending time with the 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4, one thing becomes clear: this is more than transportation, it's transformation. It redefines what's possible for those who love adventure but refuse to compromise on luxury. It's bold, futuristic, and built to last, a true statement of innovation from Toyota. If this is what the future of camping looks like, then the 2026 Toyota double-decker 4x4 is not just leading the way, it's rewriting the rules entirely. Whether you're a traveler, an adventurer, or someone who simply dreams of freedom without limits, this machine turns that dream into reality. This is luxury beyond imagination, performance beyond boundaries, and comfort beyond expectations. This is the new definition of mobile living.